Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. Just in case you don't know, now you do know. And today we're gonna do a ThredUP haul. This is my first ever purchase from ThredUP. I took a quick peek in the box. As you can see right here on the corner, yes, it really does come with these turquoise polka dots all over it, which is super cute. So I live in Canada, which means that when I order things from this state, I often have to pay duty fees. And this cost me about $40 in duty fees. I did spend, when it converted to Canadian, about $245. Actually, a lot of these are business purchases. They are leather pieces to be cut up. I've kind of like tapped out all of the fun colors and textures and just like fun patterns and things at my local thrift stores. And I don't particularly feel comfortable driving or traveling to other places to hunt down leather. And I don't really have the time either right now. So I tried out ThredUP. Now granted, it meant that everything was way more expensive because they do sell, you know, things at a little bit higher price than they have to convert. So it's not like big, huge thrift store price, but definitely better than buying it full price. So that means that I have a ton of stuff in here. There is one item that is just for me, and then the rest is all leather. So I thought we could go through it so that you guys could see some of the things I picked out and maybe why I picked them out to upcycle them. So I'm just trying to get the tape off, even though I've already opened it once. So in fact, this I guess arrived yesterday. Nobody told me. I was working in the store, Happy Thoughts, and it arrived. And my mom paid the duties on it for me because I wasn't home. And then I just saw it this morning, literally as I was leaving the house. So, yeah. This is just the information for any returns. I won't need to return anything unless it's just not what they represented. I'm pretty sure it'll cost more to return it than it will to keep it. So it comes with their like signature polka dot tissue. It was all sealed up nice, but I dug into it pretty bad. Was very excited to see it all. So I'm not going to try anything on. Obviously only one of the items is for me anyway. The rest are all going to get cut up, and I'm going to explain why I purchased everything. Also, just as a heads up, I'm filming this at like 7 p.m. at night to go up the next day, hopefully, if I get my button gear and, you know, edit it. So the lighting's going to be a little bit garbage. All I have is my overhead lighting. I don't have a ring light. Well, I have a little one, but it's not very good. So just bear with me, you know. I don't know, like, you guys clearly don't come here for like production value because I don't put any into it. Okay, so first item in the box is the item for me. This was kind of deceiving because on the site it said it was a size 5 from Torrid, but it's actually a size 6, which is fine because that's my size most of the time in Torrid. And I figured if I got this and it didn't fit, like it didn't button closed, then I would just wear it as like a duster, but it's big enough that it will fit. So it's this gray, like 3/4 sleeve baby doll dress. So it's sort of like just above the knee level on me. Quite oversized, I would say. I haven't actually got to put it on yet, so we'll see. The problem that ThredUP has is that they only put a sizing category up to size 5X. They don't put anything beyond that. And so if they get anything that's above that, they just put like in bracket 6, not explaining what that means. So I had no idea. that I bought, you know, a 6X. And I really wish they would make more of an effort to advertise the larger sizes that they have. So everything from here on out is going to be for business expenses or to be cut up. So this is, oops, a ruffled snake pattern. So it's not, it doesn't have that texture, but it's like printed on it, and it's ruffled with layers. So, and the leather goes all the way up underneath again. So this will be a pain in the butt to take apart, but I saw it and I've really never found this pattern on anything before. There's a little bit of wear on it, which is fine. It's a suede, and so I figured this would be really great for small things. Also really look good as cutting it out for earrings. So I'm really looking forward to this. I was a little worried that it was like a faux leather. It's from the brand Leather Cult, and it says custom made, so that's pretty cool. And it would actually go like this way if it was being worn. I don't remember the prices of anything, and I don't really feel like going to check. I did use someone's discount code. I think it was Carissa from Fat Girl Flow. She just recently did a brand collab with them, and I used her discount code for 30% off, I think it was. So look around for discount codes. I don't have one. This isn't sponsored, so you know, it's worth it to look around. Okay, next up was this pretty much like straight size. Is this the side? Yeah, it is. Okay, so I got this one because of the texture of the leather again. See how it's sort of like rippled? I just like how it looked. It gives it sort of an almost quilted look to it. And inside, it looks like it's backed with like a knit or something. Oh, is it reversible? No, it's not reversible. Okay, so it still has a cleaning tag. It has a cleaning tag in here. Sue Johnson, I have your skirt. So that's pretty cool. It's lined with a knit material, and it's from Worth, New York. And the shell is leather, inside is cotton. Interesting. And it's backed with that. So that'll be interesting when making stuff out of it, because it'll mean whatever I do make out of it will have that backing too. Anyway, I would love it if ThredUp showed the inside of things, like to see whether it's lined or not, or, you know. Anyway, on to the next one. This is a cute little cornflower blue mini skirt from Ted Baker London. And I just really liked the color of this one. It's very soft. I can't see what the inside of the leather looks like because it has this blue satin lining. Ooh, the lining is in great shape. I may try and save this lining because I'm trying to make some like zippered pouches and line them, and so if I can use some of this lining, I will definitely try and save it. So yeah, this is Ted Baker. The pockets on the front, are you fake pockets? Nope, they are real pockets. I mean, they go pretty deep. I can't even get my hand in the pocket, so yeah, quite pleased with this. And like nothing seems to have like a bad smell about it. I'm pretty sure they wouldn't sell it, you know, if it did. So then this, I'm always on the hunt for like good metallics because metallics are so hard to find. They just don't really come around very often. So this is like a bronze color, kind of gold, lots of like, you know, undertones of sort of orange and such. This is from 9 West, and it is a pencil skirt, I guess I would say, with a front flap pleat. Is it a kick pleat? I can't remember. But slit. Yeah, my fashion brain is like gone. I feel like I wasted all that money on school because the only things I remember are how to pattern draft at this point. So this is the front, and I know that for sure because they have the this like, see, I can't even, this like jean zipper type thing here. So that'll actually be quite handy, having the zipper on the front as the front slit, because I can just cut it all out at once and I will have less wastage that way. Again, this one, the lining is in great shape, and so if I can save the lining, I will, because I will have something to repurpose it for now. And just the color, I'm not disappointed with this color at all. It's so good. And then what I'm hoping is the best one out of all of this, and it's this one. It seems to still have its tag on it. Oh, okay. So, or like one of the sales tags at least. This skirt here, oh, I'm holding it upside down. I was like, how do you even get into this thing? Okay, so this is new with tags from House of CB London. Its original price was £149, which almost converts to double when into Canadian dollars. So it's a size large, and it's just the most beautiful cotton candy pink. But what you can't see is that it's pearlescent and has this like crackled finish to it. I don't even think I'll be able to do it justice on the camera. Can you see that? Yeah, it's beautiful. Again, good lining on it. Obviously, it's never been worn. There is like, because of the texture of it that's on it, there's like a little bit, like all of the texture that's on here is like added afterwards. So that stuff can like dry and crackle off. Just, you know, just part of it. The zipper is like, has a bit of wear on it, but like it was banged up. I don't really save these zippers anyway because it's more, takes more time and it ends up ruining the zipper trying to get it out anyway. So I cut them out. But yeah, I am very pleased with this. This was such a good find, and pink leather is really hard to find, and you guys can't see, it's like opalescent and like iridescent. It just, it glows. It's so beautiful. So anyway, that's what I found on ThredUp. I can't wait to put all these up and start cutting them and turning them into beautiful things. If there's anything here in this box that you want to commission me for, and you want to commission one of my products made in that thing, let me know, because I'm happy to work with you on that. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you watched all the way to the end, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.